folks, show what you're working with. Today, not open, but we opening a new package. Don't know who it's from. Oh, right here. Crazy. From Baker Boys Bassin. Did I say that right?
Baker Boys Bassin.
No, it ain't the Baker Boys Bassin Junior, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Shouts out to y'all. Alright, let's see what we got. Put it this way.
You got it, man. Cause you too old for me to be opening that packaging.
I got it.
You better not bend my key, I know that, man.
Okay. Alright. Package is not open. Got this one. Ah, folks. Alright, folks, we got the package open. Let's see. Right? Ah, folks. I don't got it open. Alright, folks, show me what you're working with. What's up, folks? Show me what you're working with. Today, we got a new box.
You already said that, man. I ain't never started a video over.
Oh, well, you know I had to. Got it open, folks. Gotta use these muscles, you hear me? Ooh-wee. Got us some hats. Oh, yeah. I like this green one. Ooh, no, that orange one. See it good? Or I need to come closer?
That's good.
So. Oh, what is this? I'ma scream if this a new reel. What you think it is? We got our wood screen, but baby sleep. Oh my goodness, we got a new open face, folks. A new Ooh-wee, look at that.
You gotta tighten it up on the end.
Oh yeah, sure do. I'm done. Folks. Thank you, Mr. Baker. Let's turn this baby up. Got us a new reel. Oh yeah. Boy, that feels good. New reel. What's the deal? Next one. Ooh, a jerk bait. Okay. Got us a clean little jerk bait. What is it? Suspended unlimited casting. Strike Pro. I've never seen that one yet. Then, no, wait. No, I don't think this some drop shot worms, ain't it?
Net red.
Ooh,
I think.
They look like drop shots. Man, you gotta do a smell test. Can't really smell them, but I know it's awesome. I can't smell them, but these things look good. I don't think I ever used drop shot. Well, I couldn't have had the hook. Yup, these is Ned rigs.
Yep.
Ned rig, folks. Got us some Ned rig jigs. What else? Now, Daddy, we were just talking about rattle traps. You know that? We were just talking about rattle traps. Oh, got us a good chrome blue. Look at that, man. We finally came back, folks. What a little look like this is a saltwater one.
That's a bigger one. They got the bigger rattle trap too. That thing a red too, boy.
I never seen the big ones.
For real? You don't hear how different it clap?
Yeah. Got us some more tail spinner. I don't know how to use that one. The tail spinner.
Yeah, I'll pick it up.
Okay, and then we got some more net rigs. I'm coming for you. You should never send me this stuff, man. You in trouble if we have another tournament or when we fish with each other. It ain't gonna be a competition. Okay, you know what? We got us another round trap, baby. Old school at that. There you go. And some interesting lures. Oh, a crawfish. It's a crawfish. Daddy, I called deals on these two rattle traps. This one right here, that looks so good. But this one right here, ooh-wee. I think we got some more Z-Man net rigs. That net rig, Fatty Z. What else we got, baby? Oh, golly. We got us some fatty patties. Super saltworm plus magma trickworm watermelon seed.
Oh, these are my babies right here.
Yes, sir. Oh, I think he be fishing with them biggins. We got some more big boys. Well, they're not big, but they medium. I actually like those chartreuse ones. And then we got the trickworm jumbo. Oh yeah, and bless you. Thank you for these trickworm jumbos. I don't like bugs at all, but I do like these trickworms. Baker Boys Bassin Jr. Oh. And $100. But that's it for today's package, folks. Thank you, Mr. Baker. Have a nice day. And stay tuned for the next King Mark Cooper YouTube show. Pause it. What's up, folks? Show what you work with.